Probably more than 5 years ago now, I noticed that my driver's side mirror in the Blazer was starting to look funny and not have reflection. So I had bought one of these replacement mirrors and paid for the local place to install it, and it was shaking up and down like crazy. Every time you hit a bump, the mirror would go like this, but at least it had proper reflection. So I called the company or contacted the company, and they says, well, we're sorry to hear that. Let's send the replacement. So they sent me a replacement, and then I checked, and it's like the other one does the same thing. So it's like, well, sorry, we can't do much for you, which is fine. I mean, this one does work better than that because it basically delaminated on the original. But you can see how cheap these are. Like, for example, okay, they're both basically flat. I am taking my finger and pushing, and the whole mirror housing moves, but the mirror doesn't. This one, with it flat, notice how the mirror moves, even if the housing doesn't. Let me make this one so it's up against something. So, alright. I'm pushing, and the housing is not really moving. If I set this one the same way, see how that flexes? That's why it wiggles. So, one of the projects that I had, because whenever they put the new mirror in before, I said, well, can you just put the old mirror in the box? And so I got it. I don't know that I ever took it out. I hadn't realized that the plastic corner had broken off. Now, I don't know whether that came off, like maybe they dropped it when they took it off or something. I don't know. Either way. So that doesn't work. But theoretically, I could replace it with this housing, maybe, if it's the same size and shape and such. But yeah, my plan was to try, and this one's also a lot heavier. I don't have my scale. Let's see if I can get the scale out. Alright. Bungee cord, old mirror, 0 kilograms. So the old mirror is 2.2 kilograms. Alright. New mirror. Is that going to go the whole way down? That's of course going to go the whole way to the floor. Hold on. Alright. Holding it slightly differently. New mirror. New mirror is 1.6 kilograms versus 2.2. So it's definitely lighter construction, which is probably why it flops around all over the place. I also didn't realize this must have liquid in, because if you push, it moves. Well, can you even see it moving now? Yeah, there we go. See that? Oh, come on, focus. So there you can see where the edge of the silver is. And if I let go, it moves. That's weird. Yeah, there we go. So you can see, sort of. Come on, focus. Or not. There we go. Alright, you can see that thing. That's wild. So maybe the issue is there's just water in there or something. But in any case, I'm going to see if I can get the old one apart and get this mirror off. Theoretically, I did figure out, oh, why is everything so hard to do with 2 hands? I need 3. There's these little clips. So if I can get the little clips unclipped on the mirror, maybe I can get this front piece off and then see. I mean, it'd be nice if I could somehow get, I don't think this will do it though. Actually. Oh, darn it. Why does stuff have to suck? Alright. Hold still, you piece of crap. Alright. Notice that this mirror doesn't have clips. So that project's not going to work at all. This one has clips, so maybe I could get a new old stock and just take this off. But as it is, that's not going to work to take this one off and put on here because it won't attach because it doesn't have the clips. Oh well. At least now I know that I definitely can't put this one back on because you can't see like that. I mean, yeah, that's not a good thing. So that's one project that's not going to work like I had hoped. Oh well. But you can see just how, like, this one just wobbles and goes all over the place. This one, it's solid. It does not want to move. Like, you push it and it goes click 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 click, which I'm assuming that was audible. Yeah, this one, it just moves. So definitely a much cheaper mirror. Oh well, that's one project that won't work, but I may try and see if I can find a new old stock or used one that just has a working mirror piece. We'll see if eBay can find that, because if I can just replace the clip, maybe that'll work. Maybe it won't. Maybe I'll just have to deal with the crappy mirror. Oh well. Another interesting difference is the one on the right is the new cord, the one on the left is the old cord. And notice the one on the left has the entire right half of it filled in with 2 on the left hand side. The one on the right has only 4 of the 5 spots on the right filled in and 1 on the left hand side. So I don't know what features that means that it's missing. Yeah, new stuff is not as good as old stuff, even if the old stuff breaks.